ArcMap interface and how this used basic tools. So ArcMap is a software which are used for creating, viewing, and analyzing the maps working for the GIS software. So first of all, we will start with screen and search ArcMap software. So you can open software ArcMap ArcGIS 10.8. It takes some time. Now it is open, you just cancel it. Because this is the recent files, you cancel it. So this is the software view, you can see that. And now we understand some menu bar. You can see that this is the menu bar which has some functions like file, open, save, copy, and export map. And this edit bar is new. Bookmark, insert, selection, georeferencing, customize, windows, and help. So, and then this is the main window which we are used table of content window. You can see that this one is from here you can check this button and it will be hide. And if it will be closed sometimes, so you can appear from click here to appear from. These are some buttons, you can see that. So now, map display area, this is the map display area. This is view, scar, data view, and this is scar layout view. There are two views. This is the layout view, all data frames are showing here. And the final layout of map showing and design in this window. This is the data view window. This is the status bar. You can see that unknown units and functions like this. Some units you can go to settings and set your unit's coordinate system. So shown here. So some basic tools, zoom in, zoom out. You can see that, and some extend, fix zoom out, and identify tool, and select element tool, and some other tools. So now we will adding some data from the data folder. You can click here, add data. This is the function you use to add some data. So first we are find the data, add data. And then open your folder connection. You can see that some folder connections are here on my computer. But if you be sure that you can find your data, means your data on that store, like Lab-1 data, you have to add it. So you first move here. You see that connect to folder. You can see that connect to folder. First press here and then go to desktop and see that data Lab-1. You can find it like data then from here, and you can edit quickly. Now, the folder connection, you can show that, you can see that folder connection and find it data Lab-1, desktop. Here is your data. Here is your data. You can see that now you made some shapefile, the vector data, some vector data are showing here. You can first add world countries. Okay, just press. Okay, you can see that our world is showing here. And you can see that some decimal degrees pointed, we can see that here. If I move, just select the element and now mouse cursor, I move it to Australia and Pakistan, India. You can see that China and United States. You see that the coordinates are here. Okay. So now we further move to the layer management properties, and these, first of all, you can set that data frame properties like coordinate system. You go to general. Sometimes this one not here, I can remove it for you. You just find which data frame properties you want to add for the coordinate system. You go to Geographic Coordinate System, where and find WGS 1994. It means World System. So you add it here. Now you see the coordinates are decimal degree, and this map is showing you about the world map. How you need to be catalog window. Here is your catalog window. You can see that catalog window, and you can just connect this one, this here. Catalog window, and you find your folder connections, all your folder connections. If I remove this for you, disconnected, disconnected, disconnected. Why not me for any folder? I can remove for you, or just explore you the functions of this. Now only one folder which I added, I can just remove it. Now I have no folder connection. If I want to edit here in a folder, I just connect to the folder. And that's all. My folder on the Lab-1, right? Okay. Now you see that the folder is headed and all files are showing here. If you want to add any file from here, you can also add. You can add it. Like drivers, you can see that the driver is added. Okay. This is the catalog window and this is the search window. Search window, you can search any program, like I can search clip tool. Here are tools are showing you. Then you have ArcToolbox. It is very important. You just click it, hold it for some seconds to open the software ArcToolbox. So it will open you for this one. You can see that data analysis tools, cartographic tools, you can see that. So and other the management adding data, you can finalizing here catalog window function. Then you can see that different view of Python model builder. You can also model builder feature class. In the future classes, you will learn about this one. This is some scales. You can measure from one point to another point. You can see that the scale. It will show you the area of different points. You can find something. You can find, go to x-axis. You have the coordinate. You can draw, write the coordinate and you go to the points. And if this is identification tool, you want to identify something, you can click here. It will show you the country name, the long map. You can find it from here. So this is your first lecture regarding the introduction to GIS and this interface. Its goals and other functions which are used for your further classes. And interface is very simple. You can get toolbars from here, different toolbars and customize and toolbars from here. You can find the query tracing toolbars. You can find the editor toolbars. You can draw image classification. So many toolbars in use it for your use purpose. You can find from here. Then extension, you must be open the extension and first you check in the extension because you used for image processing and other tool. We must be open. Check this option. And geoprocessing tools and selections, insert data frame and map areas, bookmarks, the view, and so other settings you use. So this is for now, signing off. Well, if you have any question, you can write your comments and ask me to my WhatsApp channel of WhatsApp group.